Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is thrive. Let's learn what it means. Thrive means to grow, develop, or succeed very well. People thrive when they are in a positive environment that supports their growth. Here's an example. She began to thrive in her new job because she enjoyed the work and felt supported by her team. This means she grew, developed, and became successful in her new environment. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word thrive? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.